with y'all, man? Tune in for another video. As you can see by the title, it's not about cars, but it is about cars. But it been on my heart, man, and I just been reflecting on my life and where I came from and all of that. So I want to kind of well, first of all, let me cut this off, cause this thing will beep all. Well, it does beep all day till I turn notifications off. But I really want to talk to y'all, man, cause I do know it's a lot of people younger than me. It's a lot of people my same age and everything. If you don't know how old I am, 33. I'll be 34 next month. I probably look older, got the beard and stuff, but yeah, I'm 34, man. I'm not old at all. A lot of people already know that, but like I said, I want to share this, and I want to share my age too, because it got something to do with what I'm talking about. But I was just reflecting on my life, and I know it's some people that watch, or I meet some of y'all, or people come up to me at the track that's younger than me, or might be the same age, and just can understand some of the stuff I be talking and dropping, especially on my Facebook. And I just want to share this, let people know, like, it ain't never too late to get started with what you want to do or what you trying to be in life. Because, man, seriously, like, I used to get told, and by my parents and by other people too. And my mama, I love my mama to death, man. She dead and gone. I lost my mama to cancer back in 2012, and I lost my firstborn child and stuff. It was just 2012 was a rough year for me. And but even though, I used to get told, man, that one day messing with these old cars or these hot rods and stuff was gonna get me in trouble, or I grow out of it and all of that. Cause y'all know originally I come from the big rim world. That's what got me into hot rods and stuff and racing and all of that. I used to fix cars up, and I still do. I still like it, but put the big rims on them and all of that. That's why I love the culture too, cause it's where I came from, and what got me passionate about cars. So you'll never forget where you came from. But I used to get told, like, them people gonna look at you like a drug dealer, which some of them did. And yeah, I done did that before, not on a big level, but as younger, back in high school and stuff, I was in all of that, and bunch of BS basically. But I came a long way, and it's just amazing where these cars, messing with these cars, old cars, and got me or whatever. Cause I was just thinking about it, especially like I literally changed my life in the last 3 years as far as chasing my dream and doing YouTube full time. Like, it's finna be 3 years that I've been full time with YouTube, total doing what I love, filming, drag racing, building cars and all of that. But it's amazing. I was just reflecting back on how many times I was told that this gonna get me in trouble or messing with hot rods. So I grew out of it. It's a waste of time, waste of money and stuff. Or you can't, get a real job. I was told get a real job numerous times with stuff I want to do as an entrepreneur. Cause YouTube not the only thing that I'm into, or not the only thing I've been successful with. But I just think back, a lot of the times you remember most of the bad stuff versus the good and positive. I don't know why it's like that, but on the flip side, it makes you. It makes you if you let it make you or whatever, and help you pursue and achieve your goals. So I just want to share this with everybody watching, cause I know it's people out there that want to do the same thing, that love to do or deal with hot rods full time. And you can, and ain't never too late to start. Like I said, I've been doing YouTube 11 years now. I created my channel in 2007, and about 6 months after YouTube launched, and then I did my first upload in 2008. And like I said, it was big rim stuff and burnouts and little mild motors and stuff, nothing serious. And then I got into my uncle, who y'all be seeing on the channel, Joe Buddy. He got me into drag racing and stuff. So I started doing the drag racing, and I migrated straight over into drag racing, and it became my love and everything. So, man, I just want to talk to people, cause I kind of was inconsistent with YouTube from the time I first uploaded 2008 all the way up to 2000. Hold on, hold on, y'all. They're my right here. All right. Well, never mind. He's just telling me he got to move the car. But yeah, like from 2008 all the way up to 2016, 8 years, I kind of didn't take it so serious and played around with it. And literally in 2016, it's amazing what can happen if you surround yourself around the right people. My big brother, y'all probably know him, Old School Kings. If you into the big rim stuff and you really been following the movement, my movement for like from the beginning, then you know who I'm talking about. Man, we had a talk. Man, we always talk about business and entrepreneurial stuff outside of cars and stuff. But man, we had a talk probably like 2 hours, 3 hours, and man, after that talk, I was like, I'm about to get serious about YouTube, and like I changed my life from just in 2016 up to this point. Like I changed my life completely. So, and I was, like I said, I was 30 years old then. So it ain't never too late. It ain't never too late to get started with what you want to do. And I just wanted to make this video outside of the cause, man, cause I know it's people that watch that want to do what I do or want to do their own thing with cause. It might be another idea you have, but you can do it regardless of what people might think. And another thing I want to come on this too, to tell parents, like if you got kids, cause I know my audience is wide, man. My audience range from 18 all the way up to 50, 60 or whatever. I got a wide audience age range. So man, if you got a child, and I mean this from the heart, if you got a child and they want to pursue something, man, support them, cause that's what I didn't get. I'm just talking from my experience. That's what I didn't get from a lot of people. You know, that I want it. You know, and it turns into frustration and everything. You don't know how much of a difference that make if you just support your child, you support your nephew or your niece or whatever, man. Just be that support system and let them know, like, hey, if that's what you want to do, as long as it's positive, you can do it. You know, instead of knocking them down. Like, did nobody tell me, hey, if you want to do YouTube or you want to turn them cars and stuff into a full-time income or to a business and that's what you love, do it. Then I didn't have that. Did nobody tell me that. Like, I had to make myself, seriously, I had to make myself. I didn't have nobody older than me except my uncle. My uncle, you know, he saw the vision because he an entrepreneur. And, you know, he a businessman himself, man. That's why I look up to him. And, you know, he means so much to me because other than that, I didn't really have no adult in my life, like family or whatever, that just really told me, like, you can do that. Or don't do that. Like, when I quit my job at Walmart Distribution Center, I worked there 6 years. I got called stupid. I got people said it was a dumb decision. I shouldn't have did that. Worst mistake I ever made in my life. Like, and man, this stuff hurt, man. It hurt, you know. And the way you deal with it, you take it like as an anger, or it's just pain all the way around. So I'm just here to tell you, man. Like, you got somebody that say they want to do YouTube, say they want to start opening them a car shop, or maybe they want to open them a restaurant or something. Man, support them. Don't knock their dreams down. Don't tell them not to do that, cause you don't know how you affect that person's life. Everybody not strong. I'm strong-willed or whatever. Like, it hurts when people tell me that or don't stand behind me or believe in me or didn't believe in me, but I take it. I'm the type of person where I take it and use it as fuel, but everybody don't operate like that. Like, you could literally crush somebody's dream. Everybody not strong-willed like me or determined. Like, some people need that uplifting or whatever. It helps a lot. So, you know, I'm just here to tell, man, because this on my heart. Like I said, I'm not doing this to get a lot of views. I'm just doing this to talk to those people that really want to do this, man. I talk to a lot of people. I communicate with a lot of people. And I'm here to tell you, like, you can do it, and it ain't never too late to get started. Like, you want to tell you whatever you want to tell you, cause I just been reflecting. I've been reflecting. I'm like, man, I sit down sometime, now, all the time, really. And I thank God, man, for well met, big time. And then I just thank everybody. That's why I constantly say thank you, cause I'm like, man, I didn't, you know, I ain't never see myself right here. Well met. I really didn't. I ain't never see myself right here. So it like, man, it's a huge blessing, like, to just be here, and I want to share this with y'all. And like I said, I'll just thank it, man, cause it painful, man. Like when somebody tell you stuff like that, like messing with these cars not gonna get you nowhere and all of that, or what you doing ain't gonna get you nowhere, man. It hurt, man. And ain't nothing like show and prove. At the end of the day, ain't nothing like show and prove. I mean, clearly the people that thought and felt that was wrong, obviously. And it's amazing. Besides the cause and well met being able to do this full time, it's just the people I'm able to reach out to and touch in life. Like that's the big thing. That's one of my life missions for real, to touch and inspire. I'm talking too fast. Inspire people. But that's always been one of my life missions, to motivate and inspire people. Like seriously, that's why I share so much of my life. Not all of it, but I share so much of my life with everybody, because that's what I want to do. I want to change somebody's life, man. I want somebody to come up to me and be like, hey, you a small part of the reason I'm where I'm at in life. Not the whole reason, but you a part of the reason I'm where I'm at. You know, I got you. I looked at what you were doing, the way you were moving, the stuff you were saying, and it motivated me to get on my grind and do my same thing, called we all can do what we want to do. And like I said, I really want to come on here and just tell, man, don't knock nobody's dream. You got a child, hey, take them serious, man. I had a creative mind. You know, I went to college. I didn't really want to, but that's what everybody was saying to do. Go to college, get your education. I really didn't want to do that. I'm an entrepreneur. I want to be my boss, be my own boss, and you don't have to go to college to do that. I'm not saying it's bad, but you don't have to. But it's like I was pushed into a lot of things, and then, you know, I was the type out of my family, like I was different, because I was called a rebel. I mean, this true story, man. I'll call a rebel because I will have an attitude. You know, I'll get into arguments with my parents sometimes. Just normal stuff you go through, man, as a teenager or a young adult, man. It's just normal. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I just didn't bow down all the time. Like, I love and respect my elders, but I just didn't bow down all the time, man. For that, you know, I got looked at differently sometimes. Stuff with, like I said, I didn't graduate college and all of that. Like I said, I done sold weed and all that type of stuff. Like I said, I'm not ashamed of nothing I did. Did some crazy stuff. I did some more stuff too, but like, blessed I ain't never get jammed up or none of that. You know, cause I always have been an intelligent individual and stuff. And it just, man, went to college wild out. I ain't no classes, none of that stuff. So it like, man, but I look at where I'm at now. That stuff that make me, man. Like, I'm successful, man. I'm successful. I consider myself successful. I don't think I reached my pinnacle, cause I stuff still elevating. But I'm pretty successful, man, cause I'm happy with what I'm doing. I'm happy every single day, and you know, I'm touching people around the world and everything, and motivating people and all of that. And what more can you ask for, man? So I just want to come on here and share this with people. Like I said, man, if you looked at the whole video and you listen to everything, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you a lot. I know some people just here for the car content, or you got your favorite stuff you like to watch. I understand that. And I appreciate everybody that watch on both channels, or watch this channel and support the bills and all of that. I do appreciate that. And I appreciate the ones even more that get even deeper with what I got going on, cause y'all know it's deeper than cars. I always say that it's bigger than cars with me. So I just want to share this with everybody, cause it's been on my heart. Been wanting to drop the video. I'm like, man, I'm just gonna drop it today, cause it's been in my mind a lot. Like I said, I really appreciate y'all watching, especially if you made it to the end. I got a call from DJ yesterday, and the part should be in one more part. He was waiting on one more part for my transmission for the Camaro. Should be in Friday. Well, actually today, cause the day y'all watching this video is Friday. So today, and I'm shooting this on Thursday, so it should be in today. So y'all should be seeing Camaro content again soon. And we still working on the truck and all of that, so that'll be coming. But yeah, I really appreciate everybody that watched this video to the end. And that's it, man. Just remember what I said. I hope this inspired somebody or move somebody to do what they want to do in life. And I'm out.